All right, man, another fraction. That's okay. First, I'm going to draw my wall, step 1. I'm going to circle my variable. I'm going to get rid of what's on the outside. This is still a positive 11, so I get rid of it by subtracting 11. These are gone. I'm going to put the 1 in front of the r just because I like to see it. And then 18 minus 11 is 7. To get rid of a fraction, I multiply by the reciprocal. So 1/4 becomes 4 over 1, or just a 4 on the other side, because I don't need to write it as a fraction since 7 is not a fraction. This cancels out to just 1r, or r equals 28. First step, we subtracted 11. We'll put that on the next slide. The first step was to subtract, I think it was 11. I forgot the number. Put the right number. And now move on to the last practice problem before your exit ticket.